So your $100 million, offers by AlexHormozi. How to make offers so good, people feel stupid saying no. A tactical guides, to crafting high value, irresistible businesses offers that drive conversation and growth. So core premise here, Hormozi argues that the offer, not the product, is the true driver of sales success. A mediocre product with a brilliant offer, will outperform a great product, with a weak offer. The book teaches, how to engineer offers that maximum, perceived value, minimize friction, and compel customers to act. The value equation here, Hormozi's foundation, formula for value here, that value equals to what? Value equals to dream outcome into, perceived likelihood of achievement by time delay into effort and sacrifice. So your dream outcomes, what the customer deeply desires, perceived likelihood of achievement, So your confidence, they will get result. Time delay here, how long it takes to see results, effort and sacrifice here, what they must give up to get there. So the goal is increase the top half of the equation and reduce the bottom half. So here components of irresistible offers, right? So here clear dream outcome, define the transformation or result the customer will achieve. High likelihood of success here. Use testimonials, guarantees and proof to build trust. Fast result here, reduce time to time outcome with speed focused delivery. Low effort and sacrifice here, make the process easy, convenient and low risk. Value stocking here, that and add layers of value beyond the core product, right? Bonuses here, free tools, templates or resources. Support here, coaching, community access or live Q&A. Speed here, faster delivery or priority access, customization here, tailored solution or exclusive features, right? So here perception of value increases when customers feel they are getting more than they paid off, right? So here price anchoring, position your offer against higher priced alternatives to make it look like a bargain. This psychological tactic reframes the perceived value and justifies premium pricing. Okay, the 3 P's of offer design, right? Component here, promise, price and process. And the description here, the promise has the description, what transformation or result are you offering. Price is the price justified by value and outcomes. Process is what, how will the customer achieve the promised result. So specificity, sales here, avoid vague claims, use precise outcomes driven language here. Loss weight fast is not, but lost 10 to 20 lbs in 30 days without dieting. Specificity, builds confidence and credibility, right? Scarcity and urgency here, use time sensitivity, bonuses here, limited sports or countdown to drive action. These psychological triggers combat procrastination and increase conversion, right? So your testimonials and social proof here, showcase real success stories to build trust and reduce buyer hesitations. Case studies, reviews and endorsements validate your offer. Pricing strategy here, Hormozi advocates for premium pricing when justified by value, he introduced. So price leaders here, tiered offers with increasing value, right? High ticket offers here, premium packages with transformational outcomes, handling objects here, anticipate and address customers' doubts directly in your offer. So provide guarantees, clarity, misconceptions, reduce perceived risk. So the final insight here, the offer is king, the product is secondary. What matters is how you position, package and present it. A great offer solved a real problem, delivers fast results and feels like a no-brainer. Strategic takeaway here, to dominate in business, focus on engineering offers that maximize perceived value and minimize resistance. When your offer is so good it feels irrational to decline, you have won. So yeah.